niggas at, man?
Run up on you right now.
They ain't see the vision, but we gon' make them see it.
Let's get it right now, ain't no apology. Run up on you right now, yeah, this is a robbery. Didn't mean to wake the neighbors, man, that's my apology. Your girl told us everything, you ain't gotta lie to me. I got a lot of killers right here on the side of me. A lot of people tell me different, they don't wanna smoke. I be going crazy, nigga, I be on the road. If it ain't my business, then I don't wanna know. Gotta keep it moving, yeah, I be on the road.
Got the game on lock like a locksmith. A lot of niggas, they be talking, but that shit be nonsense. Damn, baby, I like the way you shake it in the club. Same bitches used to play me, wanna show me love. Cause they see a young nigga really getting cash. Had to level up, I kept that metal tuck out in my bag. Wish a nigga would. I'ma had to smoke him like a Lucy. All these bitches on my dick and all these niggas, they be goofies. Got the Uzi, it might go ahead and just vert, dog. Pull up SFT, scat pack, I skirt off. Bad bitches, they be shaking ass like a twerk off. My hitters came through, dread headed like a Dirk song. And every time you hear HG, you know that work on. Me and John going back to back like Shaq and Kobe. Put the work in like a Mexican, I got it by my lonely. Where was niggas at when I was fucked up? I ain't had no homies.
Run up on you right now, yeah, this is a robbery. Didn't mean to wake the neighbors, man, that's my apology. Your girl told us everything, you ain't gotta lie to me. I got a lot of killers right here on the side of me. A lot of people tell me different, they don't wanna smoke. I be going crazy, nigga, I be on the road. If it ain't my business, then I don't wanna know. Gotta keep it moving, yeah. First things first, I get it poppy in the hood where your mama at. Bitches call me Poppy every time when they see the gap. Hit it one skirt, then I'm gone like a running back. Everything a 5-star, nigga, like we on the app. Niggas try to play with the work and now they gon' get stretched. I was making double than last year, now that's a big flex. You was out here catching feelings, I was out here catching checks. Every time I hop out the wheel, nigga, I'm a big threat. You ladies should have a nigga spin a band on you. Instead you let that fuck nigga put his hands on you. And then you fucking up the game, I just let it sit. I took a break cause I had to work, but now I'm in the mix. And then you wanna be my dog, but you just wanna bark. We them niggas in the room that you don't wanna cross. My gun battery getting low, I think I need a charge. Make him feel unsafe when it gets dark. Run up on you right now, yeah, this is a robbery.